Good morning, students. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to convert a decimal number into other number system. Okay, so children, we have a one question. Like the question is, convert a decimal number 16 into other number system. You can see this question clearly written on your screen. We have to find the other number system value of decimal number 16. Okay, to convert any decimal into other number system is very simple rule. Divide the decimal number with the base value of resultant. What does it mean? If somebody say convert a decimal number into binary number system. So what is the base value of binary number system? It is 2. So we will divide our number by 2. If somebody is telling to convert your decimal number into octal number system, what is the base value of octal? 8. So we will divide our number by 8. If somebody is asking to convert a decimal number into hexadecimal, so what is the base value of hexadecimal? It is 60. Yes. So we will divide our number by 60. So in this way, children, this is a way to convert a decimal number into another number system. I am doing one by one. So first I am converting 16 into a binary number system. Look at the screen. So I am writing my number 16 here, and the base value of binary is 2. So I will try to divide it by 2. We know in the table of 2, 2 8s are 16. So quotient is written always on the bottom. And what is the remainder? 2 8s are 16. 0 is the remainder? Yes. So if you divide 16 by 2, you get a remainder 0. I am writing it here. Now I have to divide further. 2 4s are 8. Now my target is 8. So 2 4s are 8. Remainder is again 0. Now I am writing further division, 2 in the 4. So 2 2s are 4. Remainder is again 0. And now I am trying to divide again. 2 1s are 2. So this is remainder is again 0. So the binary value of 16 is 1 0 0 0 0. So I write again the correct answer as I told you in the previous lesson. Write all the remainders from bottom to top. 1 0 0 0 and 0. So 4 zeros, and this is binary. So answer is 2. Now I am trying to apply the same approach with octal. Now I have to convert the same number 16 into octal number system. So I am writing my number here. So I have written my number. This is 16 here, and I am trying to convert it into octal. What is the base value of octal? 8. So I will divide it by 8. Yes. So let me write 8 here. 8 2s are 16. Remainder is 0. Up now see the division is not possible. Why? 8 is bigger value and the remaining value is 2. So I can't do the further division. So my division is over. I can continue division only if I get the value 8 or more than 8. Okay. So now my division is over. So the remainder is 2 from bottom to top and 0. So the answer is 2 0, and the base value of octal is 8. Now the same way, can you tell me if I have to convert this 16 into hexadecimal, I will divide the 16 by which value? What is the base value of hexadecimal? 16. Yes. So I will divide it. So let me do this. My number is 16 The base value of hexadecimal is 16, so I have to write here 16. Sixteen ones are 16. What is the remainder? 0. 16 ones are 16, so remainder is 0. I cannot divide further, so the answer is remainders from bottom to top 1 and then 0. We write all the remainders in the order bottom to top. So children, look that a decimal number is converted into further number system by using simple rule, divide the number by the base value of resultant number system. Okay, I hope you must have learned it. It's so simple to do. Now I request you to complete your assignment. Thank you.